So a die is in the shape of a pyramid with 4 faces. So basically like this, some sort of a tetrahedral die. It has 4 faces. So the numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. So if this is 2, then this is 3, another face is 5, another face is 7. So 2, 3, 5, 7. I hope it is a fair die. If it is a fair die, then we can easily calculate the probability. A die is in the shape of man, which is an equilateral triangle. The faces are ratho. When the die is thrown, each number is equal to. So it's a fair die. We can just write this down. So probability of 2. So there are 4 numbers, and 1 out of 4 is 2. Probability of 3, again 1 out of 4. Probability of 5, 1 out of 4. Probability of 7, 1 out of 4. So this is how it goes. Okay. The die is thrown twice. Okay, so we have 2. So 2 possible numbers. So we have to form a table of the total score. So let's do this. So the table is going to be like this. So this is one side. This is pretty common. All they did was change the die into a pyramid die. That's all. So this is, the numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. This is die number 1. So let me call this die 1. And this is die number 2. This is die number 2. So this number is again 2, 3, 5, 7. So let me just draw this. Okay, so we have to complete the table. So we have to write down the total. So the total is going to be, this is going to be 4, this is going to be 5, this is going to be 7, this is going to be 9. Then the next row is going to be 5, 6, 8, and this is going to be 10. Then the next row is going to be 7, 8, 5 plus 5 is 10, and this is going to be 12. And then it is going to be 9, 10, 12, 14. So this is going to be the total. These are the totals of the 2 dice. So this is question number A. Now in question number B, from your table, write down the probability that the total score is a prime number. Now we don't have to worry about the permutations over here, because when you have a table, you can just see how many numbers there are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 16 numbers over here. So the probability that the total is a prime number is out of 16. Let's check how many numbers are prime numbers. So 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 numbers that are prime numbers. So this is going to be 4 out of 16. That is the probability. Let me check again. 5, 7, 5, 7. Yeah, there is no other number that is a prime number. Prime number means any number, any integer greater than 1 that cannot be divided by any other integer other than itself. Okay. The next one, question number C. Calculate the probability that the score of the second throw is greater than the score of the first throw. Okay, so we can, so 2, 2 will not work. So 2, 3 is going to work. So we can take 5. Second throw is greater. 2, 5. We can take 7. 2, 7. We can take 9. So the second number is greater. Okay. First one is 3. So the second one has to be 5. Okay. First one is 3. Second one has to be 7. Okay. That means 10. Okay. First one is 5. Second one can be 7 only. First one is 7. No, this not, there is no number over here. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possibilities that the second number is greater. Second number greater. So just by looking at this table, out of 16, there are 6 possibilities where the second number is greater. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So question number D. In question number D, the die is now thrown thrice. Okay, we cannot use the table anymore. So the die is now thrown thrice and the total score is taken. Write down all the combinations of score for which the total is greater than 18. Okay, so total is greater than 18. What can happen? So the first thing is 7, 7, 7. 7, 7, 7. 7, 3 is a 21. So this is going to be greater than 18. So the other one can be 7, 7, 5. So that is greater than 18. 7, 7, 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 5. is 19, so that is greater than 18. And we have permutations of this, so it can be 757 or 577. So nothing else is possible. We cannot have 773 because 77 is 14, 14 plus 3 is 17, less than 18. So only these four permutations are possible. Okay, write down the probability. Okay, question number E. Probability of greater than 18. Okay, so every probability is 1 by 4. So 1 by 7, 1 by 7, 1 by 7 means 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. Plus we have three permutations of 775. So this is going to be 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. So basically if you add this up, this is 1 by 64. So there is 1 by 64 plus 3 into 1 by 64, which is 4 by 64, which is 1 by 60.